What's up? This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So I am here with another case study regarding Google Ads account restoration and suspension. The account was originally suspended for circumventing system, and the account was suspended for like an year before the client gave to us. And whenever they give something to us, they try almost everything before passing the account to us, like everyone, like a user tries everything, repeats and everything. So they were very frustrated, and they said that, yeah, no, we are exhausted. But the client was old, and we have worked before as well, and we're also working on managing their campaigns as well regarding the Google Ads. So they were quite happy and confident with working with us, because we were able to get their account restored for your account does not comply with their business terms and conditions for Google Ads. So this was another case. So they provided with us, and now the account suspension was, as I told you, was for circumventing system. Now circumventing system is an error where they we when the client was discussing with us, they said that there is nothing such as misleading. We are not doing any misleading, we are not doing any false claim, we are not doing any theft, we are legal, we are fine, we are not copying any business, we are unique, we are on our own. So why we got such a circumventing system error. So when the client gave to us, we also have our own checklist for account restoration. So we did go through the checklist, and I'm going to show you as well, the few points which we raised now, because with every account the checklist is different, because we have so far like 70 to 75% check points where we feel like Google can suspend an account or restore an account if such policy is being happening on the account. So first of all, we told them that your website speed is very slow. So we pointed out some dead links. We also discuss about the payment policy pages. We also discuss about other pages, and we also discuss about the social media as well, because social media also adds authenticity in your website. So not only this helps you in a restoration of your Google Ads account, but also helps you in building the trust of your visitors, because I feel that Google is looking for websites which Google feels like when someone searches on Google, they have certain set of expectations. So if your website is not meeting certain set of expectations or certain standard of quality, your account can get suspended. So very curious on this, and we were able to get it restored. So I'm very happy the account is restored. So I'm going to show you the account restoration. We also pointed out newsletter and other aspects as well. Then we also had detailed meetings with Google as well regarding. So this is an account. You can see that this now we have multiple MCCs, and we work with multiple clients. So you may find another MCC in another video. So right now the account I'm talking about is this one, 807. You can also see that the suggestions were for 807 as well. So here I'm going to open the account in front of you, and I'm going to show you regarding the account. So yeah, once the account was restored, the client was very happy to see their account getting restored now, because this is any moment of relief for any client whose account is suspended for an year long. So I'm going to show you right now. I may probably show you all time data so you guys get an idea regarding the history of the account. The account was old. The account was you can see over here that the account got suspended like 786,000 dirham in the third quarter, and then you can see in the fourth quarter it was being posed. So seeing an account such suspended is a very moment of tension. Now you can see the in the notifications that your account has been unsuspended. Also the account was suspended for circumventing system, but whenever an account is restored on Google Ads, you are going to see this default message that your account has been reactivated and is able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information before your ads can run again. Protect your account from unauthorized activity. Check in his connection. So some suggestions as well on the account, and this the Google update as well. And you can see that the account was also verified by advertiser. So that's also helped us in doing the procedure quickly. So yeah, here you can see that the account is restored now, because with the circumventing system there are many things we to look around. But the account can get suspended for any reason. The account gets suspended for billing information suspicious, unpaid balance, your business account does not comply with your terms and conditions. I mean, the counterfeit goods is another example as well. So I mean, Google has ample of reasons to suspend your account, and it can take ages. So yeah, me and my team can help you in getting your Google Ads account restored, in helping you in restoring your Google Merchant Center account, Facebook Ads account, If you need services regarding Google Ads Management, Facebook Ads Management, SEO services, web development services, Google Penalty, or web development, all you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description to reach out, and me and my team can help you in restoring your digital journey. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video or a new case studies over there, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you have any questions related to this video, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.